Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contact lists into Constant Contact from CRM. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once logged in, navigate to the Contacts section. In the Contacts area, look for the option labeled Import Contacts. Click on Import Contacts to begin the upload process. Next, select the option to import from a CRM. You will see a list of supported CRMs. Choose the CRM from which you want to transfer your contacts. Follow the prompts to authenticate your CRM account. This may involve entering your CRM login credentials. Once authenticated, you will be prompted to select the specific contact lists to transfer. Review the selected lists to ensure they are correct. After confirming your selections, click on the Continue button. Next, you may need to map the fields between your CRM and Constant Contact. This step ensures that all necessary information transfers correctly. Check for any required fields that need to be filled out. Once the mapping is complete, proceed by clicking on Import. The import process will then begin, which may take a few moments. Watch for a notification confirming the successful import of your contacts. After the process completes, review your contact list in Constant Contact. Make any necessary adjustments or additions to your contact details. You should now see your transferred contacts ready for use in your marketing campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.